Imagine this. A robot goes rogue in a factory, flailing its arms, swinging at engineers like it's auditioning for the next Terminator movie. No, this isn't a movie scene. It's real. And it's happening right now. What happened in this viral robot meltdown? Why are humanoid robots being used to sell cars in China? And what's the future of robots in factories? Let's find out. Okay, so, robots. They're no longer just characters from sci-fi movies. They're real and they're out there, working, selling, and even going rogue in ways we didn't expect. From viral video tantrums to life-sized humanoids selling cars, robots are stepping into our lives in ways we could only dream of. But are we ready for it? Stick with me as we dive into the world of robots that might just change the game. And hey, if you're curious about using AI in your own projects, I've got a special announcement at the end of the video, so make sure you don't miss that. The Rogue Robot Meltdown. So let's kick this off with the viral video that started it all. A robot designed to perform a simple motion test in a Chinese factory suddenly goes haywire. It starts flailing its arms, its feet kick out, and it even knocked a desktop PC off the table. The engineers? They scrambled for safety. You can hear the panic as the half-built humanoid swings like it's ready to start a fight. The video hit the internet like wildfire. Over 100,000 views in just 4 hours. It was chaos, and to top it off, the internet had a field day with memes, many of them joking about Skynet. Yep, Terminator reference. This incident, while hilarious in its own right, shines a light on something serious. How quickly advanced robots can go off the rails if they're not properly controlled. It's a reminder of just how unpredictable these machines can be when things go wrong. Humanoid robots. Selling cars. But let's leave the chaos behind and talk about something a little more charming. Over in China, Chery Automotive decided to add some serious style to their showrooms with humanoid robots, yes, robots, designed to sell cars. Meet Morin, a blonde-haired humanoid with a ponytail and sleek sunglasses. No, it's not a character from a sci-fi movie. It's a real robot that's dispensing bottled water and answering customer questions in car showrooms. Launched at the Shanghai Auto Show, Moraine caught everyone's attention. This robot isn't just a gimmick. Its 360-degree camera eyes allow it to track everything happening in the room, and its carbon fiber fingers. They can handle objects with delicate precision. Morin is the future, right? Well, the robot isn't cheap, costing as much as a car, but it's already being used at dealerships, and a few lucky ones will get a discount if they order early, and soon they're expected to roll out 220 units by 2025. The crazy thing is, this robot isn't just standing there looking cool, it's already shaking things up in the car sales world. Who knew a robot would be the face of car sales? The rise of affordable robots. But the world of humanoid robots isn't just for the rich and famous. If you're not ready to spend a small fortune on a robot that can serve bottled water, then check out Iggy Rob. It's not as flashy as Morin, but it's practical. And it costs a fraction of the price. This robot, developed by a Cologne-based company, is designed for industrial use, like helping out at reception desks or even clearing plates at a cafeteria. Standing about 1.7 meters tall, Iggy Rob runs for about 8 hours on a single charge and is equipped with arms that can grip objects and a navigation system that uses LiDAR to map out its surroundings. Priced at 47,999 euros, around $54,500, it's much cheaper than its Western competitors, and the company is betting on this price-to-performance ratio to change the game. With real-world testing and a strong development plan, Iggy Rob is a serious contender in the humanoid robot world. And if you're wondering, the company even sends engineers to adjust the robot settings based on how it performs in your environment. Now that's service. Berkeley's $5,000 humanoid. Now let's talk about something that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Berkeley Humanoid Light Project is an open-source, DIY humanoid robot that you can print at home for just $5,000. Yes, you heard that right. You can build your own humanoid robot in your garage using a 3D printer. Standing at just 88 centimeters tall, about the size of a toddler, this little guy might not be the most impressive in terms of size, but its software is where the magic happens. Berkeley's been training this robot to walk using simulations, and the results are remarkable. It can step off a bench, write with a pen, stack foam cubes, and, get this, try to solve a Rubik's Cube. Sure, it's not perfect yet, but this is the type of project that could inspire a new wave of robot hobbyists and tinkerers. Imagine a world where anyone with a 3D printer can make their own robot. What's next? Maybe the Skynet jokes will start to make a little more sense. Robots on the factory floor. Okay, so we've seen robots selling cars, serving drinks, and even being built in garages. But what about robots in the factory? Well, Hyundai is taking things to the next level. They've just introduced Boston Dynamics Atlas robots to their new factory in Georgia. Yes, the same Atlas robots that can do parkour and flip over obstacles. But instead of being in the spotlight, they'll be working hard behind the scenes. Hyundai is using Atlas to help build electric cars, and it's a massive move in the world of automation. The goal? Produce 300,000 electric cars per year by the end of the decade. These robots are designed to navigate tight spaces, climb stairs, and do the kinds of tasks that are just too dangerous or repetitive for humans. The result? Fewer accidents, more efficiency, and possibly fewer jobs. But Hyundai argues that the robots will improve safety and productivity, not to mention reduce costs. Whether or not this will lead to widespread job loss remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. Robots are about to change how we build everything. What's next for robots? So, where does this all leave us? With robots working alongside humans in factories, helping sell products, and even being built by DIY enthusiasts at home, it's safe to say the future is already here. And as much as some of these advancements seem cool and futuristic, we have to ask, are we ready for it? Will robots eventually take over our jobs? Could they be the future of everything from factory floors to car showrooms? The truth is, we're just at the beginning of what could be a huge shift in how we live and work. Whether it's robots going rogue, dancing at car shows, or helping to build our next car, the future is unfolding in real time, and it's both exciting and a little bit terrifying. But before you go, if you're interested in diving into the world of AI, whether you want to create digital avatars, influencers, or just learn how to use AI in your videos, check out our new advanced course. It's packed with insights you won't find anywhere else. And it's all about helping you leverage AI to make money and build your digital persona. You can find the link below, but hurry, the price goes up soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. How soon do you think robots will take over your job? See you in the next one.